live on YouTube. I usually do StreamYard. So hey everybody, so I don't know if you saw my earlier post, but I'm supposed to be meeting up with someone and they're running behind because traffic can be a bit of a pain here in the Toronto area. And so we're just sitting here at this super cute little 50s diner. Super crowded, and we're just waiting. Oh,
can I take your order? What would you like, ma'am?
I don't know. Do you have any?
Are you old enough to be called ma'am? Am I offending you by calling you ma'am?
No, that's quite all right.
Isn't it funny? I have like a southern accent.
Where'd you get the southern accent in Canada?
Canada. I don't know.
No one's watching right now, but that's okay.
Okay.
They'll come in.
They'll come in later.
They'll come in later.
Are you waiting for someone?
I am waiting for someone.
Oh, they must be very special for you to
They
be
are
waiting this long.
They are very special.
They're very late.
They're very special. Special doesn't even come close.
You can determine how you want to interpret special.
Yeah.
We all know it's true. I'm your waitress.
Oh, Ladies Farm is in. Hi. How was the weather out here? The weather today was absolutely beautiful, perfect. It was like 74 and sunny, and I got a little bit of color because we went to the beach earlier.
It does. And you're wearing parrots in your ears.
And I've got parrots in my ears, and I'm at this super cute little diner. I'm just waiting for my friend to show up.
Well, I'd like to recommend the chocolate milkshake and pickles. Would you like some pickles?
So if anyone can guess who my special guest is, she's a pickle pusher.
Oh, I am a big pickle pusher here at the 50s restaurant.
Are you going to come in the shot yet?
I will. Do you want pickles?
Because I would love pickles.
It is time to make the pickles.
It's time to make the pickles.
It's time to make the pickles.
With Miss Alicia from Country Mama Musings. And we might need Sydney to hold the camera, the phone.
Because we need the wide shot now that I'm here.